So we got this situation and we have to find out the remainder. Now look at this, how we will approach. So you know that we have to follow certain steps. So we will divide 35 by 16 to get the remainder. So remainder will be what? 16 2 times 32. So 3 is the remainder. Okay. Now we have to find out the cyclicity. How we used to find cyclicity? We will divide 3 power by 16. So 3 power 1 divided by 16 will give us remainder as 3. Now 3 power 2, and we will keep on doing this thing till we will get 1 or minus 1. 1 means 1, minus 1 means 15. Okay, we will stop there only and then we will get the cyclicity thing done. Now 3 power 2 is 9. Okay, 3 power 3. So if you will, so 3 power 3 is what? 27. Okay, so 27, if you will divide 27 by 16, you will get remainder as 11, because 27 and then 16, so 16 and 10, 26 and then 1, 11. Okay, now 3 power 4. Now things will get ugly. You know that you have to break this thing as 3 power 3 into 3. Okay, so if you will divide 3 power 3 by 11, okay, you will, sorry, 11 is 16, you will get remainder as 11, and then you have to multiply this thing with 3, so it is 33. So remainder is 1, because 16 2 times 32. So we got our cyclicity as 4. Okay, cyclicity is 4. Now what we will do with the cyclicity? We will divide the power by this cyclicity to get the remainder. So S3. So 23 power 23 by 4. Now we have to find out the remainder. And whatever we will get as the remainder, we will put that remainder to the power of 35. And then we will finally divide by 16 to get the required result. Okay. Now you know that here numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we have to get closer to 4. So you know that 20, if like you have to start table of 4, try to get closer to 23. So it is 24, है ना? So can I write 24 minus 1 power 23? Correct? The element, if we will expand this thing, the element in which 24 will be there will be divisible by 4. Okay, so we have last hope on last element, यानी 23 C 23 24 power 0 minus 1 power 23. This is the last element. You know it is 1, you know it is 1, and it is minus 1. So we got minus 1 as the remainder, but you know that minus 1 cannot be the remainder. So minus 1 plus 4 will become 3. So in this case we got 3 as the remainder. Now what we will do with this 3? We will put 3 as the power of 35. So 35 power 3 divided by 16. Now this thing will give us the final result. Can I write this thing as 35 by 11? So if we will divide 35 by 11, we will get remainder as 3. Correct? Same 3, same 3, है ना? So we got 27. Okay, so if you will divide 27 by 11, you will, sorry, 11 is 16. If you will divide, I was thinking about 16 but I wrote 11. Okay, so if you will divide 27 by 16, you will get remainder as 11. Okay, so the final result is 11. I hope the idea is clear and you guys are now good with the steps involved in it. Okay.